We're going to try to show you Washington, D.C., help you meet a lot of interesting people, and learn just a tremendous amount as we go.
We made it to the National Air and Space Museum.
So right now we're heading over to World War I aviation. I'm very excited. It's kind of like the planes of like the First World War, things of that nature.
I think everything in the past is truly history, so coming into the museum and having the opportunity to come here, which we couldn't normally say, I think is also an amazing opportunity. History is one of the most important things in the world, I think.
We made it to the American History Museum.
We're here at the National American History Museum, where we're checking out the John Bull.
This didn't just come from the United States, this comes from all over the world, the best engineers in the world coming together to put that into making a car. I mean, you don't get that from staying inside your comfort zone and just, having the same ideas. It comes from innovating and taking others' ideas and implementing them into making whatever you're making. I mean, it's incredible.